Today we're gonna get some corn again. So this is the corn. Then you do that.
Yes.
Then you take this part, twist. And then we got a free corn.
Mm.
And then we put
One corn. Next.
next one. So again, and then we hold this again, and then pull down, then we twist. And then we get another corn.
Okay.
This, pull this, and this. And then we get another corn. Last
Okay.
one.
4.
And then the other one
Mm.
goes this way.
Oops.
And then we got 2 more to go.
Next.
This, and then we got it.
Yay.
One last. We hold this, that, and then done.
Yay.
We got all 7 corn. Bye.